DEWALT brushless cleaner. Everything in the box: the cutting guide, a plastic piece for replacing the blade, the user manual, and a wrench for changing the blade. There are many design details, very clever design details from this product, and let's go through them. First of all, you'll notice there's a kickstand that prevents the blade from touching the workpiece or the ground, so it is free falling. It will naturally stand here, and you can of course lift it up when it's broken. Also a precision machined groove, 45 degrees, so it can be used on this angle and finishing that edge without using the router. A dust collection port, a blade storage area. Additionally, you can store 2 extra blades in there, a lock, and you can counterclockwise to unlock and lock the blade. The height can be adjusted from the knob here. A blade cutting depth adjustment. This is a wrench to change the blade. Do it with the wrench. Safety feature: depress this button to engage the trigger, and make sure the battery is not installed when you are doing the maintenance work. The cutting guide can be installed on either side. Cutting guide adjustment. It's brushless, and there's an additional wrench stored here, again for blade changing. It matches the screw used here. It's a beautifully designed tool. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find this review helpful.